Hi everybody, it's Alana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over how I get a quick and simple salon quality gel manicure here at home. So this is how I get it done so that it lasts the best and looks like it's a professionally done manicure. This box in here. This is a UV LED nail curing lamp that I got on Amazon, and it is pretty much the same ones that they do use in a salon. It is not overly expensive. It's easy to use, it's nice and big. Your whole hand easily fits in here. There's no need to have to do just your thumbs individually. It's got a bunch of different settings or timers, or you can do what I do is I just put my hand in once it's plugged in. I don't push anything, just shove it in there, and it automatically turns on for 90 seconds. I find that 90 seconds is enough to cure any type of nail polish, and I'm not worried about the time or playing with the settings. I just stick my hand in and go. The next thing that I have in my little magic box is probably what makes any gel manicure perfect. I have this Protein Bond by Young Nails. It's a tiny little bottle. A little bit goes a long way, but this stuff, it's almost like a binding crazy glue nail polish, but it's not a crazy glue. But whatever it does, I swear it will make your manicure last. Teensy little bit is all you need. Next, another nail salon quality product. This is the DC gel for all nail technicians. So what's in this one is a base coat and a top coat. I tried a bunch of different base coats and a bunch of different top coats. They're all relatively good. I just find that for the longest lasting manicure, this one just tends to work the best. Before I start doing anything, I need to finish prepping my nails. I already have my nails filed and my cuticles all done. I'm just going to clean up any natural oils, any dirt that's on my fingernails, and dehydrate the nails. One of the most important steps that people forget to do when doing any kind of a manicure, especially a gel manicure, is to dehydrate the nails. And I understand you don't want to dry out your hands. You want to keep them moisturized, but to get your polish to stay and stay evenly, you do need to dehydrate the nails on the top and underneath as well. I have some pure acetone and I'm just going to use it to clean my nails. As I'm cleaning it, I am pushing back against the cuticle to make sure that there's no oils trapped underneath the lip of the skin there. So I clean the top, gonna do underneath the nail as well now. Now to put on my little primer. Go across the tip and along the edges and let it just kind of fill into the center. That's it. Across the tip, around the edges, and fill in the center. Just want to give it at least a good 30 seconds to set before putting on my base coat. Another key when putting on any gel polish, especially starting with your base, is you want to do as thin of a coat as possible. So you really want to wipe off as much polish from your brush before applying it to your nails, including wiping it off from the stem of the brush before getting to the bristles. So I'm wiping the polish off the stem, then I'm wiping it completely off of the bristles. And then I'm gonna take just the tip of my brush, because I'm doing my pinky first, and just get a little polish that's left on the neck of the bottle. Teensy, teensy little bit. And starting just above the cuticle of my nail, not on top of the cuticle, just above the cuticle of my nail. And then I push the brush back a little bit closer to the cuticle and swipe the polish on. I find that this helps getting less polish onto the actual cuticle by starting just above the cuticle, press the brush down, and then push it towards the cuticle, and then draw up. Now, a lot of people like to cap the edges. I don't bother capping the edges with my base coat. Just personal preference. I find that makes too much buildup underneath the nails. And into the cooker, it's gonna cook for 90 seconds. Okay, 90 seconds are up. This is completely cured. There's a nice shine to it. If I were to touch this, the base coat will have a slight tackiness to it, which is good because that is acting like a glue that gets the color to stick to it. And I'm gonna do it the exact same way by putting the brush just above my cuticle, setting it on the nail, then pushing it closer to the cuticle before swiping around to the edges, making sure that I'm wiping off as much polish from the brush before I touch it to my nails, including the stem of the brush and then the bristles. Because this is my first layer of color, I am going to use this. I'm going to go back to seal the edges. So I'm literally going to just set this down, take the slightest little bit of polish. I'm just going to go really lightly along the rim of my nails, kind of using my thumb to hold the skin back so I'm not getting too much in the skin. and just really lightly sealing the edges. And into the cooker it goes. Second coat is all done. I did not seal the edges for my second coat. I'm going to do that with the top coat though instead. And seal the edge. In it goes to cook. Then I'm going to do my other hand and wrap up. All done. Super cute. I actually originally picked out this color because it is the colors of my daughter's high school football team for which she is on the color guard. So little mom points with some team spirit there. This is a super quick and easy, inexpensive way of doing a gel manicure at home. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. You will definitely hear back from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.